What is up, people? MOTOBLADE here. Today we are riding the bike that you have all been waiting for, the 2019 Harley-Davidson FXDR in the Milwaukee 114. This bike has got it all. The 114 engine, heavy breather. As you guys can see, it's also got the rear adjustable monoshock. No passenger setup, but I think you might be able to get that on there. Probably can pop this off and put one on. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure Harley's figured out some way to sell you guys an accessory to ride two up. Badass exhaust, dual ABS disc brakes up front. Looks like a freaking fighter jet. Blacked out, orange accents, traditional Harley. Got the nice blacked out gas cap on there, digital display up front. This machine is going to be so much fun and so badass and so freaking fast. I can't wait. Let's ride. Oh yeah, baby, this is a sweet ride. The 2019 FXDR, the bike everyone has been talking about and waiting for from Harley this year. The first thing I gotta mention about this bike is the riding position. It is way aggressive. Feet forward, body forward. I'm lean forward like I would be on a sport bike, but my feet are also forward. I'm in a very weird triangle. Nothing like I've ever ridden before. But it puts you in almost this domineering control over the bike. And at first, it just feels so unnatural. But the more I ride it, the more I feel like I have this new level of control that I've never had over a motorcycle before riding in this position. And it's pretty awesome. Let's talk about power. It is powered by none other than the Milwaukee-eight 114 engine. The FXDR is the Milwaukee-eight 114, the engine of all Harley engines. Featured heavily this year, of course, in their lineup, but also blacked out for all their new models this year, and particularly in the FXDR. It's got that beautiful blacked out look. Where is he? This is awesome. All right, we got a heavy breather though on this 114 that looks just badass hanging off my right leg here. Let's open her up and kind of let her rip here a little bit. This is an awesome bike. All right, so power is like nothing else I've ever ridden before. This is just awesome. Handling, it does not feel as nimble as perhaps maybe the Fat Bob. I mean, it might be on par with, but I thought maybe the handling would make it feel just a little more nimble, perhaps. I don't know. But it doesn't feel quite as nimble, perhaps, or maybe as flickable, should I say, as the Fat Bob. But it does lean over much farther. It might not be as flickable, and that may be also due to the riding position, but it can lean further. Oh yes! This is a motorcycle, y'all. This is a freaking motorcycle. This earns the name. Hell yes! Alright, so we've shown the power is there, most definitely. Let's talk about comfort. That kind of goes back to our riding position. Very weird Not uncomfortable, just very odd. Not something I'm used to, especially on like any kind of Harley. Let's talk about the lean angle here. Lean angle, nice and steep, very comfortable. Can get really low in the corner, probably the lowest of any Harley I've ever ridden. Probably the lowest of any Harley they have, really. That lean angle's great. So we've talked about the handling, we've talked about the power, comfort. You're in that weird triangle, but it's still comfortable, just very weird. Definitely the weirdest position I've ever been in on a bike. Styling, I think that speaks for itself. It's just new, it's bold, it's something Harley's never done before, and I think it's gonna pay off for them big time. Let's talk instrumentation. All you've got in front of you to distract from you and the road is a tiny little digital display up here where we've got gear, digital tach, speed, and fuel gauge. And I can cycle through some of that info, of course, with my general button over here on the left. But the power is there, the handling is there, the speed, the comfort. This bike has got it all. I don't know what more you could possibly want out of a motorcycle. Forget Harley, this is just a good motorcycle. I've never been on anything this cool before. This is awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo. And that heavy breather air intake we got on the right hand side there is awesome as well. It looks good. The paint scheme, they've got it in Bonneville salt flat denim, and they also got a flat black, I think. And then of course they got their nice gloss black here with the orange as well. Everything, all the accents are orange, traditional Harley stuff, and it looks great. Really, really great. That's gonna do it for this short video, guys. It's over so quick. It's just such a fast bike. We were flying through some parts there. But this bike is absolutely amazing. Get to your nearest local Harley dealer and check it out as quick as you freaking possibly can. It is insane, y'all. Insane. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick first look at the 2019 Harley-Davidson FXDR. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. That lets me know you like the video and you appreciate what I'm doing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. And click on the notification bell next to it. That'll let you guys get notifications when there's a new video ready for you to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. So make sure you click on that because you are not going to want to miss any of these 2019 Harley-Davidson badass reviews I got coming out for y'all, especially like this, the FXDR. This has been an insane ride. I'm sorry it's over so quick. I want to go back out. I'm not ready to be done. I'm kind of sad now. Anyway, guys, until next time, y'all be careful out there. Ride safe, ride on, and I will catch y'all later. Deuces. Oh, the lean angle. Reminds me of a Vulcan S I used to own.